Hello everyone. For today's delicious recipe, I am going to share with you my all-time favorite food. These kebabs are packed with so much incredible flavors. So let's see the ingredients. Let's put all these ingredients into a mixer and grind it well. Along with this, we need to add the masala powders, and all the list of these ingredients and details are given in the description box. So add this mixture to the mutton keema and mix it well, or else you can grind it. Now make a patties with this and deep fry the patties until golden brown. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe as much as I do, and do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in another video.